MidDay anti-sexual healing ngeke zingoma othike wazizwe shoka mnandi lapha MidDay anti-sexual healing wezo ke ngoma lapha ishawa uJoe ethi another used to be Tony Braxton why won't you love me. R. Kelly, radio message, Freddie Jackson, have you ever loved somebody? We are Mkhondo FM, Mkhondo FM is number 98.6 FM. We samine, it's lunchtime radio, and no praise God. Inja lokalendaba, sikiti manawe gamnandi nje, yozo kiyashayla pao 3 o'clock, sinda wonye gamnandi asmamba with Twitter @Mkhondo _FM. If now we ofisukuzwa selection yakho idlala ke la omoyeni uyakamnandi nje page nami uthi Mr. Ripon Radio ukwazi ukuthi ke upost ingoma zakho ngokulandelana kwazo ngiqhululele zona ngikunikeze zona zinjalo zimnandi zidelile khona ke uxolani uzosipha izindaba ezigcwele.